Yeah, it's a couple of weeks after the stumping, and finally getting the guy to come through and get stuff mated, get stuff fixed up basically. So the front door's now nice and secure. He's coming in tomorrow to fix the corner over there. It's you had a look underneath the house from where my lounge room is, of that big lump I had. And it's just, it doesn't seem like a very right underneath there. It's like just too much apart. So I'm actually going to have a look myself and bring you guys along. Just go throw some shoes on first. Oh boy, it's going to be deep. Underneath the house, I think it'd be best if I put you in the pocket and go down instead of trying to film me trying to get down here, but it's it shows how far down I am, and that's my hot water system. But yeah, I'm just passing some places. I think it's around there that's what's causing the problem. That's me TV antenna coax cable. That's me phone line. There's water that runs through the centre of the house. It's an old place. Just looking at some of it, since it's not going straight, it's going at an angle. So yeah, it just looks a bit on the shoddy side. Yeah, I think that's what the fellow who went underneath the house like yesterday was pointing out. So there's a big thing there. Yeah, see, it goes through the floor. So obviously, probably just a bit concerned about that. So he probably wanted to get those fellas who got the do my phone again. Did the stumping, have a look at it again, but there's just some places there that just looks a little bit on the sus side, I tell you that much. Oh, it's starting to get hot and humid under here. Time to get out. Shows how much of a gap we got. Some tells me that doesn't make the building code these days. The maintenance guy's gone off to lunch, so I'm just showing what he's done so far. He's pretty much just used some some sealant to close up any gaps, and put a bit of extra skirting around the place, and might be a bit far away to actually see where he's done, but probably see he doesn't have very much in the way of gaps. Anyway, but just sealed up there and all that, but that's what he's got done in the corner there. Looks a lot more better. And also up here. Yeah, it's starting to look a little bit more better. Not so many gaps and everything else like that, but yeah, he's going to do some more work in the bedroom, and that's pretty much it for the day. Wow, But one thing, it's really disappointing that it's going to get covered over. It just looks too nice to cover over. Give a sand back just to get rid of that glue stuff they put down and put a nice coating finish on it and turn out really nice. But it's still going to be covered over in tile and all that I mentioned yesterday. So, oh well. Beggars can't be choosers, and since I'm renting I don't really have very much of a choice. Yeah, it was like over a couple of days laying the tiles down and everything else like that. It needed to be done. It was, like I mentioned before, it's a bit of a shame to cover over that nice hardboard floor. But still haven't worked on my lounge room or bedroom with fixing up the floor there. The guy who was doing all the repairs was seeing if there's any other option to get it repaired besides pulling up the carpet. And it's just, but I'll just show you here. Yeah. That's part of the wall. Used to go down to there basically, and so underneath the floor there, it resembles with all the truss and beams and everything else like that. There used to be a wall there, and used to have like a post, so to be able to have a door. So pretty much had a veranda that's all closed in and opened up here now. Same with the bedroom. So it's with all the big push and everything else like that from as was seen from the last video about this, it wrecked the floor. So they brought the guys in who did the stumping and had a chat about it, and pretty much it come down to you need to rev up the carpet. So so that's what's next. But I'll leave it for another video. I think I got enough for this one, so consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and until next time, have a good one.